The mounting tension with Karen and the HOA was undeniable. Her relentless accusations and aggressive tactics pushed me to take my defense seriously. I knew that if I wanted to prevail, I needed to gather concrete evidence, consult legal experts, and develop a clear plan of action. First, I started meticulously documenting everything. I took detailed photographs of my garden and property, making sure to capture how it adhered to local ordinances. I printed out all reservation confirmations, permits, and emails exchanged with Karen and the HOA. I even kept a detailed log of her visits, noting her comments and behavior. Every piece of evidence was stored safely, knowing that it could be crucial if this escalated to legal action. Next, I reached out to a local attorney specializing in property rights and HOA disputes. During the consultation, I learned that my rights were solid. My garden was within permitted guidelines, and her claims were frivolous. The lawyer advised me to draft a formal letter of protest, politely yet firmly stating my position and requesting a meeting with the HOA board. I attached all supporting documents, photos, permits, and correspondence to strengthen my case. While waiting for a response, I continued rallying support within the community. I created a private online group where neighbors could share similar experiences and strategize on how to stand up against Karen's overreach. Several neighbors reached out privately, sharing stories of Karen's petty harassment, which helped me realize I wasn't alone in this fight. I also delved into local laws and HOA regulations, learning that HOA rules are not absolute and must be reasonable and within legal bounds. Armed with this knowledge, I felt more confident to stand firm. Karen's harassment didn't stop. She posted online, claiming I was illegally renting my property and endangering the neighborhood. Her threats intensified. She even contacted local authorities, trying to have me declared in violation of HOA rules. But I knew I had a strong legal footing. That night, I made a decisive move. I sent my formal protest letter to the HOA, attaching all evidence, and requested a face-to-face meeting. I also changed the access controls to my property, making it clear I was prepared to defend my rights. I realized that this was only the beginning. Karen's overreach was escalating, but I was ready. I had evidence, community support, and legal advice. I knew that persistence, patience, and strategic planning were my best tools. I was determined to turn this battle around. As I looked out at my garden, my sanctuary, I promised myself I wouldn't let her bully me into giving up. The fight for my property, my dignity, and my rights was far from over. But I had taken the first solid step toward victory.